Hello everyone, welcome back to Masuma's World. Hope you all are well. And today I would like to show you easy and simple recipes during lockdown. So I'll be showing breakfast and dinner recipes. So I'm making breakfast for my family because it's my day off and it's Friday. So I'm making their favorite breakfast, which is English and Asian fusion breakfast. I'm in our garden and it's really cold outside, but I'm checking all the plants and look at our strawberries. It's getting bigger and it looks so red and so cute, and it looks delicious as well. And look at all the plants, they are growing up so quickly. So let's start to cook our breakfast. And here I heated a pan and I'm putting 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 green chili and quarter cup of onion, sliced onion is thinly sliced, and then fry it for 30 seconds. I'm not using any salt in onion because sausage is already salty. So here I'm using tahmina halal sausage. You can use any other sausage you like, and then fry it for 30 to 40 seconds to cook. So my sausage is ready to serve, and by that time I am boiling some eggs as well, and I'm going to transfer the old sausages in another serving bowl. In a same pan, I put 1 teaspoon of olive oil, little bit of onion, then I'm frying it for 30 seconds. Now I am going to add Heinz baked beans. I'm using whole pot. If you want to add any seasoning, if you want to add fresh coriander, green chili, you can add with your onion and then put baked beans. Because I'm making easy and simple recipe, that's why I'm not putting anything else. And then fry it for 30 to 40 seconds. That's it, your baked beans is ready. So I'm transferring to a serving bowl. Try to make this breakfast at home, guys, because this is an English breakfast, but you will get more flavor in there. You will get onion flavor, green chili, you can taste coriander, and it tastes so good. So I toasted some bread and now I'm using olive butter because olive butter is healthy, so I always use olive butter. If you want to add any other butter, you can add, that's your choice. Sometimes you get bored to have same food every day and you want to try something different, and so this breakfast can be your favorite breakfast in lockdown. So make sure you try this at home and I'm sure you guys will love it. You can see my breakfast is ready, so I've made a nice cup of tea and I cut it all the eggs in 2 pieces, and then I put black pepper and pinch of salt. If you don't want to put salt, you don't have to. So you can see my sausage is ready, beans ready, eggs ready, and bread. So I'm going to serve this food. Alima and Zain, they both are here and they both are really excited to try this dish. And when I make something different, my children, they get excited because they love their breakfast. Hope you all liked my breakfast recipe. Now I am going to share my dinner recipe with you guys. So for dinner I marinated some 2 baby chicken and it's with skin, and this recipe I uploaded a video to my YouTube channel. If you go to Masuma's World and search for Tunisian style roast chicken, you will find my recipe. So this is Tunisian style roast chicken. It's my family's favorite. So I marinated this chicken for overnight, and now I'm going to transfer into a oven proof bowl, and then I am going to put this in the oven 180 degree for 2 hours. If you put for 2 hours, the chicken will be really crispy from outside and soft from inside. So I want the crispy chicken, that's why I'm putting it for 2 hours. In the meantime, I'm making roasted potatoes. So I'm peeling some potatoes, which is normal potato and sweet potato. So I cut it in a really nice shape, and I boiled these potatoes, and now I put some olive oil in the oven proof bowls, and now I'm going to place these potatoes. So you have to make sure don't put too much potatoes in one bowl. So that's why I am using 2 bowls, so that potato can get space. So if you leave the space, then potato can cook nicely and it will be really crispy. Now I am adding pinch of salts and seasoning. So I have wicked bird's eye seasoning. If you have any other seasoning, you can use whatever you have. If you don't have anything, just use black pepper. So if you don't want to use it, that's fine. You can leave it as it is. So if you put seasoning, I think the taste gets better. So I put some seasoning, and now I'm going to put this in the oven for 35 minutes to 45 minutes until it's really nice and crispy. Now I am going to serve my food, and so I put everything in the table, and I made a really nice yummy crispy salads, which is green. I got some green leafy salads from Tesco, and then I put some carrots in there, red onion and some tomatoes, and pinch of salt and mint sauce, and that's it. So you can see my crispy yummy Tunisian style roast chicken is ready, and I'm going to serve this, and my sweet potatoes and normal potatoes is ready too. It looks really nice, guys. Oh my god, and it tastes so good. I can't tell you guys unless you try yourself. Thank you for watching with me and for being part of my world. Enjoy following my recipe, and let's all try to be happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For my next video, press the bell icon so you don't miss out. Stay safe. Bye for now.